Life is so unfair. The playing ground is not even. We often look at the success stories and forget to see the other side of it and forget to see the struggles and the hurdles that people go through before they succeed. We all have that unique advantage. We all have that unique selling point. You are different from everyone else. But what is it that makes you different? What is it that sets you apart from every other person? What is it that differentiates you from everyone else? Unless you identify that unique selling point that you have, that unique advantage, that unfair advantage, and make full use of it, you will hardly achieve what you're fighting for in life. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Roy. I'm an entrepreneur. I do entrepreneur videos. I do videos on entrepreneur development and business development. I also do motivational videos and also inspirations for young entrepreneurs who are struggling to grow. In today's video, we'll be talking about your unfair advantage. First of all, what is unfair advantage? How do you identify and make full use of your unfair advantage? If this is your first time clicking on this video, if this is your first time seeing this face on your screen, consider subscribing because we do interesting videos like this. And if you are our regular subscriber, I want to say thank you so much and we love you so much. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. So before we continue with this video, I would like us to define what is unfair advantage. If someone asks you, what is your unfair advantage? What are you going to say? Your unfair advantage is something that you have that cannot easily be copied or bought by anyone else. This is something that you are born with. This is something that you develop over time, but it's something that is so unique to you and cannot easily be copied or transferred to someone else. Now, if someone wants to invest in your business, if someone wants to invest in a business in general, and maybe you're going for a competition, what is it that will make you win over your competitors? What is it that will make you stand out over your competitors as an entrepreneur? Okay, now you know what your unique selling point is. You know what your unfair advantage is. Now, what is it that makes up your unfair advantage? What are the things that you put together to make up your unfair advantage? As an entrepreneur, your unfair advantage is made up of 6 points. And I'm going to name them: experience, skill, talent, knowledge, character, and connection. These are the 6 things that make up your unique selling point. These are the things that give you an unfair advantage over your competitors. Now, as an entrepreneur, how can you use your experience? How can you use your talent? How can you use your skills? How can you use your character? How can you use your talent? How can you use your connection over your competitors? How can you use your unfair advantage over the rest of the other entrepreneurs? Remember, as an entrepreneur, no 2 entrepreneurs have the same combination of these 6 unfair advantages. You have your unique unfair advantage over everyone else because no 2 people have the same combination of experience, the same combination of talent, the same combination of skill, the same combination of knowledge, character, and connection. So as an entrepreneur, how can you use your unfair advantage over the others? Remember, someone can be more in experience, but less in character. Someone can be more in talent, but less in knowledge. Someone can be more in skills, but less in connection. So how can you identify where you have an edge over the others? You need to look into yourself. Ask yourself, what is it that I'm good at? Amongst these 6 unfair advantages that I've just enumerated here, which one do you think you really have more? Is it experience? Is it talent? Is it skill? Is it knowledge? Is it character? Is it connection? How can you really use your unfair advantage over your competitors, over other entrepreneurs? Now you have a little understanding on what the unfair advantage is. So as an entrepreneur, this is what you want to do if you really want to succeed. Sit down, get a piece of paper, write down these 6 unfair advantages and try to rate yourself on 100. Ask yourself, based on your field of experience, based on the field in which you're operating in, ask yourself, on a scale of 100, what is my experience? Am I experienced in this field? On a scale of 100, what are the skills that I have to pursue this thing that I'm about to do? On a scale of 100, what is the knowledge that I have? What is the exposure that I have based on what I want to operate in? On a scale of 100, what is my connection? Once you've put all these different combinations of your unfair advantages on a scale, now you're going to see which one do you have more. Is it more of character? Is it more of connection? Is it more of skill? Is it more of knowledge? Is it more of experience? Then you know where to base more attention in. You know what to develop more. And then you know what to pay more attention to grow. So you pay more attention and make more use of what you have more, and then try to develop the ones that you think you're lacking in. With this, you're going to see that you're going to be putting yourself far ahead a lot of people, because there are so many people out there. There are millions of people out there who just blindly go into entrepreneurship. They don't even know what advantage they have. They don't even know what they have that their competitors don't have. So you as an entrepreneur, make good use of your unfair advantage, and you will see that your business, your entrepreneurial journey will be more easier, and you will be growing from strength to strength every day. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to this video, for watching this video up to this end of it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing, because we do videos like this, interesting videos like this, almost on daily basis. And if you have any comments, drop them down in the comment section, and I will see you in our next video. Until now, peace out.